In this video, I will discuss coffee side effects. It is now time to discuss the bad things coffee does to you and me. Coffee leaches calcium from bones and thus promotes osteoporosis. Coffee decreases sleep quality even without symptoms of insomnia. It thus inhibits your body's main rejuvenation process and doesn't allow it to heal properly from that day's wear and tear. This sort of damage accumulates over time. Coffee can also cause anemia in women and children by inhibiting absorption of iron. Men suffer far less from this problem. In high doses or in susceptible individuals, coffee also causes anxiety, tremors, irritability, nervousness, agitation, headaches, tinnitus, ringing in the ears, high blood pressure, and palpitations. Some studies show an increase in heart disease risk associated with coffee use, while others show no such relationship. One thing is clear, however. Coffee should never be used by people with diagnosed heart conditions. Likewise, coffee should be avoided by people with gastrointestinal problems, such as gastritis, colitis, or ulcers. Coffee also stains your teeth. Another thing to keep in mind is the prolonged and excessive coffee use inevitably leads to adrenal gland exhaustion, pancreas exhaustion, heavy energy swings, and chronic tiredness. I also need to warn you about the difference between using caffeine on its own and using coffee. Caffeine pills of just 2 grams have been proven lethal. In contrast, the lethal dose of caffeine when taken as coffee is equivalent to 10.5 to 14 grams for a 70 kilogram person, 5 to 7 times less than the aforementioned 2 grams. As a side note, this is why it is so amusing to hear some people concerned with the amount of supplements I take. There never has and never will be any death associated with glutamine, creatine, carnitine, CoQ10, or the other supplements I discuss in my system. Try to find a lethal dose for any of these. In stark contrast, 80% of people drink a proven to be lethal cocktail every single day. In conclusion, I have to urge you to reduce your coffee and caffeine intake and replace it with energy-boosting supplements which are comparatively free of side effects. This will protect you from burnout and allow you to keep coffee as a last resort measure. In this video, we have discussed coffee side effects. If you want to learn more interesting things about coffee, then go to damianalexander.com/coffeepdf. If you want to learn more about critical nutritional supplements, life extension, and disease prevention, then subscribe to my YouTube channel at Damian Alexander's Vids. Lastly, discover the easiest and shortest way to double physical and mental energy, strengthen immunity, and restore health by visiting howtochangeyourownbatteries.com.